try to know about light and its images. Okay. So earlier you studied about reflection, laws of reflection of light. Now light and its images. Okay, what is an image? Usually, suppose this is a mirror. If you stand in front of that, your image is formed on the mirror. So you become the object. Suppose I hold the pen here, and it is, imagine it is image, it is mirror. Its image is falling on the mirror. So this is called image and it is called object. Okay. So images are formed due to light. The light falls on the image here. This light obstruct the object and its image is formed. Okay. Again, see, there are lenses also. We have lens. When you say lens, we have concave lens, convex. What is that actually, concave lens, convex lens? Here, I will give one next example. Suppose you take any material like spoon, okay? You take a spoon. Suppose if you make this part of this spoon towards you, your image is formed inverted. Where? Inverted. Means upside down. Okay. So upside down image is formed where? In case of concave lens and it's erect. You are as it is, but your image is inverted. Okay. So such images are called virtual images. Such images are called virtual images. And convex mirror, convex lens, if you hold a spoon like this and face toward, you see the face here, or you can hold the pen here. I will hold the pen here. You can see here. Pen looks straight. Here as it is, it looks. But if you take concave mirror, see here. If you bring nearer, if you take farther, whatever it is, it looks the same. Okay. So due to this reason, so concave mirror, so generally we can classify spherical mirrors, and spherical mirror we can divide as concave mirror, or convex lens or concave lens. Okay. So in this case, image is erect, inverted. Inverted means upside down. Upside down. So generally we call this virtual image. Okay. In case of convex mirror, the image is erect, okay, and as it is. Then this is a real image, as it is, the real image. Okay. Now, suppose you stand in front of the mirror and find yourself. When you see in front of the mirror, when you check the mirror, your right side looks left there and your left side looks right there. So such illusion is called lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. Where your left looks right and the right looks left. Okay. So the same case, suppose you make one chessboard and in between the chessboard you keep one plain mirror, just plain mirror, and keep one object and just try to find the what? Move the object from near to the mirror, far from the mirror. So they will come to know what is the image really formed on the object, plain mirror. Okay. Now, so after lateral illusion, we try to find what are the multiple images. See, so before that we will try to find what are the actually reflection I told. Reflection is a process where the light when it falls on any object, it will reflect back. But in that again, reflection, there are two laws I told already. One is two statements are there. One is the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection ray, and the normal all letters in plane. And one more is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is the law of reflection. But will the law of reflection is applicable to all wherever there is image formation, or any changes are there? Okay. So usually you know that reflection takes place on smooth surface, but even the reflection takes place also from smooth surface also. So in the case of smooth surface, okay, this is smooth surface. Light ray falls and reflects. You know, light ray falls and reflects. Light ray falls on this, reflects. Light rays fall on this, reflects. Okay. So what do you observe here? This type of reflection where the light rays fall equally and they make equal angle. Angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I is equal to angle R. Both angle I and angle R are equal. Means angle of incidence, if angle of incidence is 40 degree, this angle of reflection is also 40 degree. If it is 25, it is this also 25. But in the case of such a reflection where there is a regular falling of light, striking of light on a regular surface, smooth surface, and moving back in a parallel direction is called a regular reflection or smooth reflection. Regular reflection. Suppose the surface is rough. If there is a rough surface like this, okay. So in this case, the reflection is here and the reflection is here. Reflection is here, the reflection is here. Light falls here, light goes here. Means here I is not equal to R, angle I is not equal to angle R. This way, this is called irregular reflection or irregular reflection we can call. Regular, irregular. Easy to remember is irregular reflection take place. Okay. Suppose you want to find actually how the concave mirror will work. You take a convex concave lens, okay, and we take a small sheet of paper. You hold it in front of the sun, or you can take magnifying glass. You can call magnifying glass also. You take, and you should adjust the distance so that only one small dot will fall on the paper. If you hold in this way towards the sunlight, actually what happens here, this will catch fire. The paper will slowly it catches fire because all the rays are concentrated. All the rays from the concave mirror will come and converge here, and to make it, actually they will diverge. But when you adjust the distance, they will concentrate in one place. So due to that, it will catch the fire. Okay. And usually I told images in the concave mirror are virtual. Means here virtual in the sense they are upside down and erect. One best example is ambulance erect ulta. Ambulance erect inversely like this. They write A like this, okay, M like this, B like this, U like this, L like this, A as it is, N like this, okay, and they write like this, and they write like this, same, C like this, E like this. If it is written inverted, when you see that from your side, that looks as it is clear, ambulance correctly. So due to that, it is usual because when you see when a lorry driver, bus driver, trucks, whichever vehicle is moving in front of that, if the ambulance is coming without sound also it is coming, they will come to know by seeing the board of the ambulance, which is inverted there, but in their mirror it looks as it is, erect, straight it looks as it is correctly only. So due to that, we are using in the ambulance. And that's why there are ambulance here. And even doctors also use the same concave mirror in like dentists, especially dentists use this. Okay. So there are many uses. Even in our modern technology, we are using the concave mirrors. And now multiple images. See, do all the surfaces reflect? Do all the images have reflect light and we are able to see? Maybe very few. See, suppose for example, sunlight. Sunlight when falls on moon only, moon will reflect the light. Then only we are able to see the moon, because it will absorb the sun's heat and it gives light. So that is called illuminated object. Illuminated means external light is taken, absorbed and given to others. So that is called illuminated object. Like stars is there, suns are there, sun is there. Okay, lights, tubelights are there, bulbs are there. They have their own light. They are called luminous objects. Luminous objects. Okay. Then we come to multiple images. What are multiple images? See, I think you have seen many movies, and even sometimes you have seen in your saloon shop, and even like showrooms and all. Okay, you look 2, 3, 4, 9, 10 images, because suppose if you hold one lens here, one mirror here, in front of that, if you hold opposite of that, in a particular distance you hold this mirror, your image falls this, and again your image will reflect and fall everywhere. So in this way, multiple images are formed. Suppose again here you are keeping one more mirror. You are keeping one more mirror. So your images are multiply formed everywhere. So that is called multiple images. And this technique nowadays they are using in movies also. I think film heroes, when they are coming, still they will be single only. But due to that multiple reflection, multiple images of that technique and all, they look 5 heroes coming, 7 heroes coming. Okay, in this way. And even vehicles, they come 5 7 advertisements you can see there. Okay. So this is about multiple images. Even in barber shop, saloon shop, we are using this. Okay, multiple images. Okay. Then actually what is the color of light? Do you know that? So what's the here? If it is white, white in color. Here there is yellow, sun's color is yellow in color. Blue in color. Early morning, red in color. Not like that. See, I will give one next example. You take the CD. I think CD-ROM you are having in your room. If you take the CD, compact disc, if you take, you just hold there, it look different color. Actually, it is not colored. But why it look different color? Or one more example I will give. You take a scale. Measuring scale is in your compass box scale. That light, that you hold to the sunlight. When you hold there, you can see different colors. So that is nothing. Light has 7 colors. Or you take one more one, rainbow. What am I say rainbow for rainbow? The rainbow is there, they actually look 3 or 4 colors only, but actually it contains of 7 colors of light. So that's why light is made up of different varieties of color and forms a single beam of light. Again, convex lens, concave lens. What about light when you make to fall on it? See, suppose convex lens usually will shape like this. Concave lens shape will be this way. I showed already. If outer layer is bulged, that becomes convex. This is convex. If outer layer is what? Bulged inside, it is bent inside, that is concave. So when you pass light through this, here this is called principal focus. Okay. Then when you pass the light here, they will converge, they will come and join at a point. Both will come and join at a point. How many ways you want to put? All will join at a particular point. Converging of light rays take place in the case of what? Convex mirror. And in the case of concave mirror, diversion of light take place. That's why the image formed is always upside down or not of the same size. Image may be different size, maybe short, long, maybe long, but in case of convex mirror, exactly the size of the image will be size of the object. But in case of concave lens, the size of the object may be longer or shorter compared to object. Okay, these are about the diverging rays and converging rays of the mirror. Thank you. Tomorrow I will continue.